So I'm gonna tell y'all right here, right now, I know I'm gonna need some garden therapy. Speed limit 55, we going about 31. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So y'all, it is a nice day out here, not too hot. The sun's starting to come out. We had a lot of rain yesterday, but I am on my way. So I was on live, TikTok live the other day, and someone was talking about on Wednesdays, the sales at Aldi's. So Aldi's is not too far, minus the traffic, from me. So I want to go ahead, check it out, and take you along with me. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So I'm gonna tell y'all right here, right now, I know I'm gonna need some garden therapy. Speed limit 55, we going about 31, the car in front of me. But hold on, it gets worse. Why is it when people see the police, he done broke it down to 23 miles per hour. I know road rage is you're not supposed to have it, y'all. But I was so glad when he pulled and put his left blinker on. Now I'm gonna go in here really quick. Evidently it's something about all these I didn't know, because I'm like, where are all these people coming from? So apparently I guess they start the new sale on Wednesday, which I didn't know that. But I just want to take you around just to see if this particular one has some garden items, because I think I'm gonna have to hurry up and get back home and get in the garden. Okay, so let's go see what we have. So as soon as you walk in, they have a pallet of rubber mulch, and they have some beautiful fresh flowers, some tulips and some other flowers for $4.99, which I didn't think was a bad deal. And they have potting soil with nutrients already added. Y'all comment, let me know, have you ever tried their potting soil? But it seems to be a big hit. Now this is what I really wanted to come in and see. I'm not buying the potting bench because my sister got me one for my birthday last year, but for $39.99, I really didn't think this was a bad deal. If you're starting seeds, if you need to store some of your garden tools or pots, I thought that this was awesome. So the garden glove seems to be a big hit too. This is pretty much what was left over, but it seems like a lot of people have been buying them. Now let me tell y'all about this weed puller. I tried my best without standing in the middle of the aisle to pull one of these out to show you all, but they were packaged really good. Like, I was pulling and I just could not get this out. So I decided to take one of the tags off to show you how it is used, because I couldn't get it out. So these garden pots were definitely not a bad deal. They're 16 inches. They come in all colors, all different types of designs. And for $9.99, I really did not think this was a bad deal at all. So next up, we have this walk-in greenhouse, which I think would be great. Like if you're starting to harden off your plants, this is a great way to protect them. And then this folding wheelbarrow right here for $34.99. But the walk-in greenhouse was priced at $39.99, in which I didn't think that was a bad deal. And it comes with 12 stakes, so you can be able to anchor it as well. So next up, we have these seed starting trays, which is a good price. And y'all, I had these in my cart, but I want you to stick around to the end, because I'm gonna tell you why I opted out of not purchasing them. But they were like a set of 4, so 24 times 4. And then this garden table stake. So if you want like a quick setup, you need to put like a table or want to sit like maybe a pot on there, you can quickly set this up, because it's a stake that sits in the ground and makes a table for $9.99. And then they just had some regular garden tools that were here as well. So this is what I consider like the hori knife for $9.99. I call these little snips. They were 2, you get 2 for $4.99. And then the pruners here, you got 1 for, they were actually on sale. They were $4.99 as well. Now I thought this was a really good deal, $19.99 for a raised bed. And it looks like a pretty quick setup. Now I didn't see what type of wood it was. Now let's get back to these seed starting trays. Y'all know I'm always testing seed starting trays out, but this was the big no-no for me, and I teach this. you need drainage. Now, I'm not saying you can't put them in there, but I'm like, I'd rather for them to already have drainage holes in them, and it didn't. This is very crucial when starting your seeds because you don't want your seeds to stay too wet or the soil to stay too wet to where they rot or don't germinate. So I put them back. But it's up to you if you want to try it, but I did put them back. Now, I almost missed these, but these were right when I walked in to the right. Now, the rubber mulch was to the left, but they also have trees here for $14.99, and they had 4 different varieties, and then they also had some seeds. I'm happy to see that a lot of seeds are gone. That means a lot of people are seed starting, and these were 59 cents. Okay, y'all, so we made it back home safely to the garden. So I just wanted to just kind of share this with you, what someone shared with me, take you along with me. But each store is different. I actually picked up like a sales flyer for a sneak peek of next week's sales, and they actually have like a garden composter. I didn't see that in this local store, but they may have it in other stores. So make sure you comment and let us know, have you found some garden deals at Aldi? What was it and how did you like it? So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends, and if you're not a subscriber, go ahead, tap the subscribe button and make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye-bye.